This video will demonstrate the proper procedure for setting up and using the KATO articulating torque arm. Let's begin by reviewing each component. We have the vertical post. At the base of the vertical post, there are 4 holes. Using these holes, the base can be mounted on a flat surface. This is the articulating arm. It has an articulating joint that allows a longer reach by axial rotation. At the front of the articulating arm, you have the vertical tool holder. It holds both pneumatic and electric drivers. This is the strip feed reel bracket. It consists of a washer, a spring, and a knob. This is the balancer, and the knob that controls the tension. This is the balancer bracket. It connects to the balancer and sits on top of the vertical post. Some of the tools that you will need are a couple of Allen wrenches and a Phillips screwdriver. Before we start the assembly, let's put the balancer bracket on the balancer. For this demo purpose, I have C-clamped the vertical post to a flat surface. Once the vertical post is stable, let's put the articulating arm on the vertical post. After the articulating arm has been put on the vertical post, let's slide on the strip feed reel bracket. Once the strip feed reel bracket has been put on the vertical post, let's put on the balancer. Next, let's slide up the strip feed reel bracket and tighten it. Be careful not to over tighten it, you may damage the bracket. After tightening of the strip feed reel bracket, let's attach the cable to the linear bearing housing. Before attaching the cable, make sure the tension is reduced. This can be done by pulling out the knob, then turn clockwise. Bring down the cable, unthread the screw from the linear bearing housing, rethread the screw through the cable to the linear bearing housing. After the connection of the cable to the linear bearing housing, let's attach the strip feed reel to the strip feed reel bracket. Keep in mind that the strip feed reel does not come with the KATO linear torque arm. Let's put on the strip feed reel. The order goes the washer, the spring, and then the knob. After the strip feed has been attached to the strip feed reel bracket, let's put the installation tool into the vertical tool holder. In this case, it's our KFS20 brushless electric driver. When tightening, you can rotate the tool to the operator's preference. Do not over tighten, you may damage the tool. A good hand tightening is all that you need. With the installation tool already plugged in, let's adjust the tension with the balancer. To increase the tension, turn the knob counterclockwise. To decrease the tension, pull out the knob, then turn clockwise. To finely tune the height of the articulating arm, you can start by loosening the screws of the height limit collar with a Phillips screwdriver. Then you can adjust the collar along the cable. This is done to the operator's preference. After you find that position, retighten the screws. Next, let's put the strip feed through the well of the front end assembly. Now, let's install some inserts. As you can see, the KATO articulating torque arm, equipped with a KFS20 brushless electric driver, which allows installing tangless inserts quick and easy, making this the fastest semi-automatic installation system on the market. Thank you for watching the KATO articulating torque arm video.